How to watch new movies on Superbox. So to be able to watch new movies on Superbox, the first thing that you'll need to do is to set it up. So unbox the device, connect to the TV, and then power it on. Now once you unbox the device, remove the Superbox HDMI cable, power adapter, and remote. Connect to the TV, plug the HDMI cable into the Superbox in your TV's HDMI port. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Now connect the power adapter to the Superbox and wall outlet, and the device will boot up automatically. Now connect to the internet. If you're using the Wi-Fi setup, go to Settings, Network, and Wi-Fi on the Superbox home screen. Select your network and enter your password. Plug an Ethernet cable into the Superbox and router for a wired connection. Now install the Blue VOD and Blue TV. So to do that, go ahead and open the App Store, navigate to the App Store App Market, and then download the app. Search for Blue TV and install it, and repeat that for Blue VOD. Return to the home screen and open Blue TV for live TV or Blue VOD for movies and shows. And that is how to watch new movies on Superbox.